Sectarians have no connection with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is proven in the Quran in Surah An'am. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا. Indeed, those who have divided their religion and become sects. لست منهم في شيء. You, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, are not associated with them in anything. إنما أمرهم إلى الله. Their affair is only left to Allah. ثم ينبئهم بما كانوا يفعلون. Then He will inform them about what they used to do. Allah Almighty has made it very clear in this verse that those who associate themselves with sects or groups have no connection with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, reflect on this verse and consider, do you also have any connection with a sect?